Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Wargo and I am back in the kitchen for a brand new episode of Forking Around, a show where the jokes are bad and the cooking comes second. Today I'm doing another TikTok recipe. My good friend William Gabriel sent me this TikTok and he was like, hey, you better be cooking this on your channel. And I was like, yum, that looks good. So I'm gonna do it. The recipe is called potato cheese mochi. Yeah, it's like mochi, but instead of like ice cream, it's gonna be potato and cheese and deliciousness. So it's only a couple of ingredients, but first, I'm gonna run the title. All right, so this is a pretty simple recipe when I see it on TikTok, and I'll link the recipe and the actual video down in the description so you can see it. It's much shorter than this, and you know, it looks good, so you might as well just go watch that. But stay here, don't leave. It only takes a couple of ingredients for this delicious recipe, just potatoes, cheese, tapioca starch, milk, salt. What else? Nothing. That's it. It's pretty simple. And who knows, anything can happen here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't drop it. Don't drop the potatoes. Don't drop the potatoes. Throw me a third one. Throw me a third one. Kyle, throw me a third one. He never, oh my God. So this is pretty simple. I'm just gonna peel these potatoes and then I'm gonna boil them in water until they're like mashed. And then we'll actually get started. So that's gonna take like 20 minutes. I don't know why I waited this long to do it, but okay, let's go. Okay. Let's get to work. All right, everyone, I think our potatoes are ready to go. So I'm just gonna drain the water out and then we're gonna start mashing. Lovely. Okay, so we're just gonna mash these. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Boom. Some salt. Boom. And somewhere around 2 tablespoons of milk. We're gonna stir this together and see if we can start to make kind of like a dough-like substance. This is really hot. Just gonna add a little bit more milk. Okay, then we're going to take our potato dough and put it on our cutting board. Okay, so we have our potato dough here. Yum. And we're just gonna make it into a couple of balls. Okay, and then we're going to heat up a pan, a skillet, if you will, with some oil or butter. She said she used a mixture of both, so that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm trying to keep this authentico. All right, and while that's heating up, we're going to add cheese into the center of these. And this is mozzarella from Trader Joe's. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of open these up and put some cheese in the middle. Boom, and then reshape. So it's nice and cheesy. Okay, we're filled with cheese. Now we're just gonna put them in the pan, and she said like 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and then we should be ready to go, ready to eat. All right, we've got whatever these are. I don't know if they're the same as she got them. I think if I were doing it again, I'd try to make them a little smaller because they got really big in the pan. So, but they look and smell amazing. Whew, they're still pretty hot, but I want to rip one open for you guys. Oh, it's way too hot. Here we go. Oh, cheesy goodness. Cheesy goodness. Woo, that's hot still. But look at that cheesy goodness. Oh my God. I'm gonna try it. My God. Okay. That's amazing. It tastes like potatoes and cheese. Oh yeah. Mmm. Wow. I wish they were a little more firm, but that's on me. That's on me. Mm-hmm. Wow. You know what I would do with these? Is make them like with breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Because then it's kind of like a hash brown. You know what I'm saying? Mmm. Breakfast? That's really very tasty. Very tasty. Thank you for the recipe. Thank you for sharing with me, William Gabriel. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, because there's more things coming all the time. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day in the universe. Eat a cookie. Mmm. It's like a French fry that hugs you. Hey, 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 no barking.